Hey guys! In this video, I will give you complete tutorial of Higgsfield AI. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Higgsfield AI is a modern generative AI tool designed mainly for creating cinematic videos and realistic images using simple inputs like text prompts, images, or sketches. It works as an all-in-one creative platform where users such as content creators, marketers, and filmmakers can turn ideas into high-quality visual content without needing advanced editing skills. To begin, click on the link in the description and you will land on the homepage where everything is accessible from the main interface. At the top right corner, you will notice an option for pricing. Click on this section to explore the available plans. Here, you will find detailed information about all the subscription options, along with the features included in each one. You can also switch between monthly and yearly billing options. If you choose the annual plan, you can save up to 40%, which can be beneficial if you plan to use the platform regularly. After reviewing the pricing, go back to the homepage and click on the login or sign up button located at the top right. You will be presented with multiple sign-up options. You can choose any method you prefer, but for convenience, you can continue using your Google account. After logging in, click on your profile icon at the top right to view details such as your available credits. This helps you keep track of how much usage you have left. On the main screen, you will see several different sections displaying their videos are available to explore. When you scroll down, these include categories like Higgsfield Soul Apps, Kling 2.1, Master, Camera Controls, Viral, Action Movements, UGC, Commercial, and more. Each section represents a different type or style of content that you can create using Higgsfield AI. Spend some time browsing through these categories to understand the variety of outputs you can generate. Once you are familiar with the interface, move to the top menu and select the Image option. Then click on Create Image to begin generating visuals. In this section, you will find a text input area at the bottom where you can type your prompt describing the image you want to create. You also have the option to click on the plus icon to upload reference images from your device. After selecting your image, click Open, and it will be uploaded to the platform. Once your reference is ready, enter your prompt and adjust the available settings below. You can choose from multiple AI models depending on the type of output you want. Additionally, you can define the aspect ratio of your image, adjust the quality, and set the batch size to generate multiple outputs at once. After configuring everything, click on the Generate button to start the process. If you are using the free version, your request will be placed in a queue, which means it may take some time before your image is generated. To speed up the process, upgrading your plan is recommended, as it provides faster generation speeds. However, if you are just testing the platform, the free version works fine even though it takes longer. Once the image is generated, you will see that it closely matches the reference style and prompt you provided. You can click on the image to explore additional options such as editing or animating it. There is also an option to publish the image. After trying this, you can experiment with a different model. Enter a new prompt to generate a different type of image, and then select Higgs Soul Model for another example. Then simply click on Generate, and it will start to generate. The Soul model is designed for creating hyper-realistic visuals, especially suitable for fashion-grade content. It produces highly detailed images, including realistic textures and fine elements like skin and fabric. It also includes features like Soul ID, which allows you to create a consistent digital avatar based on your own photos. Just like before, the process will take some time in the free version. Once the image is ready, click on it to view the result. You can further refine the image by recreating it in the provided section. For instance, you can instruct the system to include only a single person in the scene, and background should contain explosion. You can also adjust settings like aspect ratio, quality, and batch size, although some of these features may require a paid plan. After applying your changes, click Generate again, and the updated version will be processed. Once it is complete, open the image to confirm that it follows your instructions. You can also edit the original prompt or explore additional editing tools available within the interface. Now, if you go back, you can explore the Animate section where you can transform your images into videos. You can also add this image to your favorites so you can find it easily. You can also create a new folder to save your work or organize your content. To create a folder, enter a name and confirm the creation. After that, move to the video section by selecting the video option from the top menu and clicking on Create Video. This will open a different interface designed specifically for video creation. Here, you can enter your prompt, or you can give a reference video, and then it will generate a high-quality video for you. Next, at the top is Audio section and select Voiceover section. Here, users can generate and control AI-powered narration or character speech for their videos. It allows you to convert written text into realistic spoken audio that can be synced with visuals, making scenes feel more like professional films or ads. Then we have the Chat section at the top. The Chat section in Higgsfield AI is the interactive workspace where users communicate with the AI to create and control their content. Instead of using complex menus or manual editing tools, users simply type instructions like prompts, scene ideas, or commands, and the AI responds by generating or modifying visuals, videos, or scripts accordingly. Next, you will find an edit option that provides access to various tools. Another important section is the character feature, which allows you to create customized characters. From this section, you can select Face Swap, which is the great feature of Higgsfield AI. You can upload your own image and combine it with a target image. For example, upload a personal photo and then choose a target image where you want to apply it. Once both images are added, and click Generate, the system will begin processing your request, and similar to image generation, it may take some time depending on your plan and the complexity of the content. Once completed, you will see that the face from your uploaded image has been applied to the target image accurately. You can then explore additional options such as video, speak, or animation features. If you select the Animate option, you will be taken to the video dashboard. Here, you can enter a prompt, such as describing an explosion in the background, and click Generate. However, this feature may require an upgraded plan to fully access. Next is Mood Board section. This is a visual planning and inspiration space where users define the look, style, and atmosphere of their project before or during creation. Instead of describing everything through text, this section allows you to gather and organize visual references. You can also explore other sections like Cinema Studio, where users turn their ideas into fully developed cinematic videos. It brings together all the core tools, such as scene creation, camera control, animation, voiceover, and editing into one place, allowing users to build and refine their projects like a digital film studio. There is also an option called Original Series, which refers to a curated space where users can create, manage, or explore multi-scene, story-driven content projects, essentially treating AI-generated videos as structured series rather than one-off clips. Then there is the Apps section, where you can explore more tools and features offered by Higgsfield AI. Additionally, there is an Assist option that helps guide you through the platform. You can ask questions or request help, but this feature is typically available only with a paid subscription. Finally, the Gallery section in Higgsfield AI is the space where all generated and saved content is stored, displayed, and organized for easy access. It acts like a visual library where users can review their previously created images, videos, and projects in one place. That covers everything you need to get started. This is the complete Higgsfield AI tutorial for beginners, guiding you through all the essential features and steps required to use the platform effectively. And that's it. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.